What's up? This is Sheriff Tylon back here doing another firework review. This time, I got a Tyrannosaurus Rex. You know, we'll see what this does. I'm pretty excited for this one because, you know, it's got a dinosaur on it. That was a pretty good firework right there. You know, got some nice Jurassic Force. You know, brings me back to the old days. You know, watching them Power Rangers. I see a lot of them Tyrannosaurus. You know, that firework. You know, brought me back to that time. You know. Next up, I'm not. What the hell's going on?
Oh, hey guys, it's me, Donkey Kong. I'm just getting ready for the new Super Mario movie, and so to promote it, I'm gonna do this firework review video. I was down at the fireworks stand and trying to get some munchies. You know, I had a little too much bananas. And that's why I came across this Fountain Dew. And I thought it was pretty funny, because it's like Mountain Dew, but it explodes. So I'm gonna review this one.
Illustrated. I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter. You're the fire starter, twisted fire starter.
That was a pretty good firework, you know. Reminds me of the time, you know, when Bowser smoked all my bananas. You know, I doused them with some Mountain Dew, some firework fuel. Wait, what's going on? That motherfucker is after my weed again? Oh, I'm gonna get that motherfucker.
Oh man, you know, I'm sorry I disappeared for a second there. You know, someone was taking a look at my truck. You know, I don't put up with that. So, you know, after some persuading, you know, I got him away. But glad I was able to review some fireworks for you. I'm glad you were able to have fun. You know, make sure you have a safe 4th of July. You know, make sure you crap up a cold one with the boys.